A vehicle is considered out of use when it is no longer fit for circulation, whether due to an accident, extreme wear, or an irreparable mechanical decline. In Europe, and particularly in France, strict regulations exist to ensure the proper management of end-of-life vehicles, ELVs. Owners are required to hand over their cars to authorized centers for processing in compliance with ecological and legal standards. This process includes several essential steps, from collection to destruction, with a priority given to material recycling and the safe disposal of hazardous substances. When a vehicle reaches the end of its useful life, the first step is collection. Specialized companies recover these cars, often free of charge, and transport them to authorized centers. These centers are responsible for depollution, a crucial step to prevent hazardous substances such as engine oil, brake fluid, or batteries from contaminating the environment. The fluids are extracted and sent to specialized recycling centers, while reusable and recyclable parts are carefully dismantled. Once depollution is completed, usable parts are sent to recycling platforms. Metal components such as steel, aluminum, and copper are recovered and melted down, allowing these resources to be reused in the production of new products. This metal recovery reduces the environmental impact of extracting new raw materials and helps decrease natural resource consumption. At the same time, parts still in good condition, such as seats, tires, or electronic components, can be resold or reused in other sectors, such as second-hand spare parts. After recovering all recyclable materials, the remaining parts of the vehicle are dismantled, primarily to extract non-recyclable materials such as certain plastics or foams. These materials are then sent to specialized facilities, often for incineration or disposal in dedicated landfills. The goal is to maximize the amount of recyclable materials while minimizing waste sent to landfills. The recycling of end-of-life vehicles offers numerous environmental benefits. By reducing the consumption of metals and other natural resources, recycling helps limit the ecological footprint of the automotive industry. Additionally, it reduces greenhouse gas emissions associated with manufacturing new vehicles by reusing materials that would otherwise be extracted directly from nature. ELV recycling also decreases the amount of waste sent to landfills and limits soil and water contamination. However, despite regulatory and management efforts, several challenges remain. Some vehicles are still abandoned or exported to countries where ELV processing regulations are less strict. This situation can lead to unsafe recycling practices, potentially harmful to the environment. To address this issue, better awareness among vehicle owners and stricter penalties for non-compliance are necessary to ensure responsible end-of-life vehicle management. The management of end-of-life vehicles is a crucial issue for environmental preservation. Thanks to modern technologies and stringent regulations, a significant portion of materials from end-of-life vehicles can now be recovered and recycled. However, further efforts are needed to ensure that all ELVs are processed appropriately. As responsible drivers, it is our duty to ensure that our vehicles at the end of their life are sent to authorized centers to guarantee environmentally friendly and legally compliant recycling. The recycling of end-of-life vehicles is an essential step in preserving our natural resources and protecting our planet.